Hi students, this is Raj Babu. Today I am going to teach the first lesson, reading and analysis of maths. Look at the board everybody. Reading and analysis of maths. So maths. So do you know maths? Every day we have to see different types of maps. For example, India map, Andhra Pradesh map, world map. So India map is different, world map is different, Andhra Pradesh map is different. For example, before I am going to teach the lesson, I have to ask some questions. For example, we have three seasons: summer season, rainy season, winter season. Summer season is different, rainy season is different, winter season is different. And the same way, summer season climate is different, rainy season climate is different, winter season climate is different. When we have to see the hot temperature, in which season? Especially in summer season, in May month, we have to see the hot temperature. Next, cold temperature. When we have to see the cold temperature? In winter season. So rainy season. In rainy season, some areas receive heavy rainfall. In rainy season, some areas receive low rainfall or little rainfall. Means totally we have to see hot temperature, cold temperature. Next, low rainfall area or high rainfall area. How we have to declare this is a low rainfall area, this is a high rainfall area? Means this area is receive heavy rainfall. Means when we have to follow the map analysis, ultimately we have to got this type of information. So first lesson, reading and analysis of maps. So map, what is map? First of all we have to learn about map. So what is map? Map means representation of any part of the earth surface. So particularly this is a one part, not only this part. If any part of the earth surface is called map. So map tells us several things about different places. Just I am told now. So different places means hot places, cold places, low rainfall places, heavy rainfall places, like that. So totally this type of information is given by map. Next, so map is used by geographers. Geographers to show features that we consider important. For example, distribution of rainfall. So distribution of rainfall means which area receive lowest rainfall, which area receive highest rainfall. For example, desert. So desert areas receive little rainfall. Next, Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji receive heavy rainfall. That is called distribution of rainfall. Means the rainfall is rainfall variation. So all places are not receive the same rainfall. Distribution of rainfall. Next, soil types. So soil types. Soils are many types. For example, black soil, red soil, alluvial soil, like that. So black soils are suitable for only some crops, like that. Next, population. Population means population. So which is the highest population country, which is the lowest population country. So this type of information is given by map. When we have to follow the map or analysis the map. Next, languages. For example, what is the name of our country? India. So India is called multi-languages country. Different types of people live in different types of places. So that's why different types of people speaks in different types of languages. For example, what is the name of our state? Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh people speaks in which language? Telugu language. Like that. Next, crops grown. So crops grown means crops are different paddy. For example, paddy, wheat, maize. So all soils are not suitable for all crops. For example, a small relation between crops grown and the soil types. For example, crops grown, paddy, wheat, maize, means which areas are suitable for paddy crop, which areas are suitable for maize crop. So this type of information is given by map, etc. Next, some of the earliest surviving maps were made by Sumerians. So earliest means in ancient days or early days, maps were prepared by Sumerians. Sumerians means at the present people of Iraq country. What is Iraq? Iraq is one of the countries in the world. So Sumerians. So in ancient time, maps were first of all prepared by Sumerians about 4,000 years ago. Okay. Next, the maps were imprinted on clay tablets. So which in ancient days, which maps were prepared by Sumerians? So these maps were imprinted on clay tablets. Next, they tried to keep records of the lands with the help of maps. That is the use of maps. Keep records of the lands with the help of maps. Next, second one, Babylonians. So after Babylonians, in ancient days, Babylonians made some of the earliest world maps about 2,600 years ago. So Babylonians are also at the present people of Iraq.